Hello student, my name is Sakshi Rawat. I am faculty at Bharati College and today we will discuss about business communication. It is an skill enhancement course that has been introduced this year in your curriculum. So if I talk about business communication, it is a very essential skills that is required for success in your professional life. No matter how good your technical knowledge is, if you can't write, you can't speak, or through digital media you can't express yourself, then your success will be limited, your scope will be limited. Communication bridges the gap between your knowledge and your action, your ideas and expression, and that is why this year it has been added in your curriculum. You are at a stage where your academic learning must connect with professional readiness. Employers are looking for those graduates who can write effective report, who can present themselves with confidence, who can conduct interviews with confidence, who can conduct a group discussion with ease. So this course is designed to prepare you for those real world challenges, and it's not just theory, it's a practice which will give you the confidence to step into professional space with clarity and poise. As we can see that okay, as we can see that you have two credits, one for lecture and one for practical. Let's talk about your learning outcomes. After studying this course, you will be able to understand communication in management. You will be able to appreciate the need of effective writing and communication. You will understand report writing and summarizing annual reports. You will be able to analyze business correspondence and e-correspondence, how you should communicate. After studying this course, you will be able to appreciate oral presentations. Obviously, this is to enhance your skills regarding communication and all. Let's see the syllabus of this year. What is your index? Unit first includes introduction to essentials of business communication. Okay, so it may take 3 weeks, but here you will understand the meaning, process and functions, need and importance of business communication. It's a whether it's a verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and also the channels that are formal, informal. You may have learned these things in your 12th, so it's an extended version. You have a levels of communication, directions communication, downward, upward, lateral and diagonal. We will discuss this. Effective communication, difficulties and barriers of communication. It has semantic barriers and jargons that has been used, so how you should avoid such things while communication is important. And solutions, interactive and non-interactive techniques of communication. Okay, so here you will be able to understand what are the interactive and non-interactive techniques of communication. Listening as a tool of communication, guiding for effective listening. Obviously, there should be no noise, and the more you can listen, the more you can respond. Then second units talk about effective writing, and as we know that report writing is very essential for business communication. So here you will get the guidelines of clear writing, references, how to write bibliographies, research tools, citing methods, footnotes, discussion, use of library and internet for collection and classification. Then we have unit 3. And unit 3 is also about report writing, formal reports, component and sources, organizing information, outlining and numbering sections, sections, headings, subheadings, and presentation, writing reports on field work, visit to industries, business concern, summarizing annual reports of company's purpose, structure and principles, drafting minutes. So these are related to report writing. Then we will talk about business correspondence and e-correspondence, where you will be get to know about the need and importance of business letters, office memorandums, office circulars, notices and orders, technology of communication, how which type of technologies has been used for communications, effective IT communication tools, electronic mails, how to write mails, advantage of mails, safety and smartness of email and email etiquettes. It's also very important when you write, when to write formal mails and when to write informal mails, and what are the etiquettes that should be pursued while writing these emails. Then also unit 5 says spoken English and oral presentation. It is also a very essential part. Even in your interviews you will be unit 5 says spoken and oral presentation, spoken English and oral presentation. It is also essential for your interviews. Whenever you sit for job interviews, then the presentation skill is very important for such interviews. There you will be able to understand effective negotiation, how to negotiate with your employer, elements, process and journal guidelines, telephonic conversations, conducting and facing interviews, conducting and participating in group discussions, making presentations, content and organizing features of good presentation and delivering a presentation. So it's a bit practical version where you will get to know about effective negotiation skills, presentation skills, how to face interview, how to conduct interview and group discussion, etc. So your internal whole internal with practical carries 50 marks, and your external carries 30 marks. Here are also some essential books or readings that you can read for this course. CB Gupta, Essentials of Business Communication, Sultan Chand and Sons, and there is also Ludlow R and Penton, The Essence of Effective Communication, Britain's All of India. So I will suggest these two readings, and here are 30 marks. So to conclude, business communication is not just another subject, it's a toolkit for your professional life. It will help you with right. To conclude, business communication is not just another subject, it's a toolkit for your professional life. It will help you to write with clarity, speak with confidence, and use technology smartly in communication. I encourage you to pursue this course and take it seriously, because by the end of this course, you will not only be a better student but also a better professional. Okay, thank you.